Hey everyone, today we're going to look at the new Coast Guard problems for finding the direction and velocity of current when we're passing a certain buoy, so we'll get into it. On 10 November 2023 at 20:30, you are inbound at Charleston Harbor Entrance Buoy 10, ACT 6611. What is the direction and the velocity of the current you are encountering as you pass buoy 10? Illustration D058NG. Okay, so first thing when you're looking at this problem is you obviously want to reference the right illustration. So we want to compare D058 to D058. We know we're looking at the right one, and there's two figures listed on this reference. So what you want to do is you want to make sure you're referencing the right station, the station reference in the problem, ACT 6611. These problems are designed to trip you up, so the answer choices are gonna also have the one that would be reflected in this bottom one. So ACT 6611, ACT 6611, so we know we're referencing the right illustration. On November 10th at 20:30, we look at the bottom of the chart and we see what dates are listed. There's November 9th and November 10th. Again, trying to trip you up. You wanna make sure you're not referencing November 9th. You're referencing November 10th as stated in the problem. So the first thing that's going to try and trick you is the two different charts, the top and the bottom. You want to select the right one, and then you want to select the right day. For this problem, it's pretty simple. It's asking for the velocity of current at 20:30 on November 10th. So November 10th, 06, 12, 18. We know between 18 and 00, that's 6 hours, so divide that by 2. We know that this middle mark here is 2100. We'll just take it a little tick behind for 2030. We'll take that up. It's right here. We'll take this all the way to the left and see that the speed is 0.4 knots, so we can go up into our problem, our answer choices, and cross off B and D because A and C are the only ones where the speed is reflected as 0.4 knots. And we'll go back to the problem and we'll look at the time. So 2030, are we ebbing or flooding at 20:30 on November 10th? We're below the line. Above the line is flood, below the line is ebb. So we're ebbing. We know the speed is 0.4 knots. And what is the average direction during an ebb? 104 degrees true. So right now we're looking at 104 degrees true at 0.4 knots. Look to see if that is an answer choice. 0.4 knots at 104 degrees true. Answer A, that's right. So this one's pretty simple. You just got to make sure you don't get tripped up by the two different charts, whether we're flooding or ebbing, and the day that it's asking for. So that's pretty much it on this one.